Alright guys, today I am going to try to replace the grill on my 2005 Dodge Sprinter van. Let me go ahead and show you what this grill looks like. So the grill is damaged, it's separated from right here, and all the chrome is kind of falling off. The one thing that scares me is it has damage here that we're gonna have to take to a body shop to pull this straight so that the bumper and stuff can refit. But what scares me here is the previous owner, they have a spare fender, but if you can see here, this is Mickey Mouse big time, and they have it screwed into there. So if I take off this fender, the one thing that scares me is that the fender or the light is not going to stay in place. So I gotta look into that. So here is the new grill and what it looks like. This piece actually slides off, which is pretty cool. I don't think I can do it with one hand, but this pops out. That's where you can put the Mercedes Emblem in here, the Sprinter badge. I got it on eBay. Well, the guy who had the vehicle before me got it on eBay. So it looks like there's no damage to this part of the frame. It looks like this radiator has been pushed back a little bit, but it's not anything crazy. So I'm hoping that it fits up properly. It looks like the grill is damaged right here, but it's only being held in by a couple of nuts and bolts. So let's go ahead and change it out. I just realized that this is being held in with rope, and it's very poorly done. So that's gonna have to be fixed as well. There's a lot of little things on this van that I'm not very happy with, so I'm gonna have to fix this. It looks like this is gonna come out no problem. It's just 2 bolts, very simple. Alright, so there we have it guys, we got that taken off. You can see from the damage right here, the deer or whatever they hit just missed the radiator. So the good thing is that everything seems to work properly. This is the only major damage. You see some rust on there. I think we're gonna cut this frame out and do a front dash bar or something crazy. Alright, so before I show you guys the installed product, I'm gonna say that this thing has been put through the ringer. I'm not even gonna try to resell it. It's going straight into this box and straight into the trash. Alright, so here's what the new grill looks like. Super easy. I do have this top trim here, and I just gotta look about what I have to do to install it. So I'm gonna try to do that now. Let me see what I can do. So I have the brand new piece right here. This piece right here goes right here on top. But what I'm gonna do, since I'm hoping to have this vehicle painted and have this front bumper fixed within the next 2 months, I'm gonna hold off on installing this until the hood is painted properly and that these line up properly. Once I do that, then we'll install this, and hopefully the front end starts looking like a boss, because this van's gonna be black here in the next couple months, and all this right here in this area is gonna be fixed. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick short video. We did something small, but it's still something. Got a lot of stuff to do on this van, so over the next 6 months to 12 months, it's gonna look completely different. So I hope you guys are there to stay along the journey with me. Make sure if you see me out on the streets, say what's up, and hope to see you guys next time.